Barheit. I am a nursing student, a registered nursing student here at Northwest State, and I chose to go to Northwest State because it was close to home and I really didn't want to go somewhere else, and I wasn't really sure what major I wanted to pursue. Over time, I initially started with an occupational therapy major, but over time I realized that wasn't exactly what I was interested in. I loved the healthcare field, but occupational therapy just wasn't where I was interested in, so I switched my major to nursing, and I am currently loving being a nursing major here. One of the most rewarding things about attending Northwest State is that I get to work hands-on with my instructors in the lab, so anytime I want to go in there and study, I can work on things, and if I have any questions, my instructors can come help me. I love it because I get to practice my patient care skills, and I also get to learn different nursing techniques. So for me, my favorite part of campus is the nursing lab. This is where I like to spend all my time.
Okay.
My advice for high school juniors and seniors would primarily be come to class. Number one, a lot of kids in high school think that when they get to college they don't have to go to class all the time. I would highly recommend going to class. Definitely talk to your instructors if you have any questions, and make sure you have a planner where you're writing down all of your assignments and schedules for your classes. Do that ahead of time at the start of the semester, and then you'll be better set up to succeed later on. At Northwest State, I'm involved in several things around campus. I'm involved in the Dean's Leadership Cluster, which is a group of individuals where we travel to different businesses and interact with leadership individuals and learn skills that we can use for the rest of our lives. This past spring, my group went to Seattle, Washington, and we talked to business leaders at Starbucks and Amazon to learn leadership strategies that they used in creating their companies. I am also at work here as a foundation assistant down in the foundation offices. I really enjoy working here. And on top of that, I'm also a presidential scholar, which helps me pay for my classes and helps me volunteer around campus, which I enjoy doing because then I get to meet other people who are here. I wanted to remind you all to come out to Northwest State for Discover NSCC Day, which is held on November 3rd from 9 to 1 o'clock. It is all around campus, and you will get the chance to see different divisions of the college as well as interact with faculty and staff that make this college so great. You'll get the opportunity to explore the nursing lab, get to do some fun games in the process, and I will actually be in the nursing lab to help show you guys around if you have any questions. So I wanted to remind you all to come on out to Northwest State, and we hope to see you there.